Every year, hundreds of TVs launch. Most of them aren't worth your time. Spec sheets all look the same: OLED, mini LED, 4K, HDR, 120 Hz, until you're standing in a showroom wondering why none of them look like what you actually watch at home. This list cuts through all of it. 5 TVs, tested, ranked, and chosen for one reason: they deliver what they promise when you take them home. Whether you want cinema-accurate black levels, brutal brightness for a sunlit living room, or a panel that handles everything from the Premier League to prestige drama, there's exactly one right answer for you on this list. In this video, I'm breaking down the only 5 TVs worth buying in 2026, highlighting key features, real-world performance, and exactly what makes each one worth your money. Links are in the description. Products are in the pinned comment. Let's get into it.
This video is presented you by Trusty Picks.
Number 5. Hisense U8N. The Hisense U8N earns a spot because it delivers a level of mini LED performance that feels much more expensive than it really is. Its local dimming backlight gives it strong peak brightness, impressive HDR punch, and much better contrast control than basic LCD TVs, which is why it works so well for daytime viewing, sports, and action-heavy streaming. The tuning is bold and vivid, but not in a cheap way. It is aimed at making mainstream content look exciting, large, and high contrast in ordinary living rooms. That is important because many buyers do not want to manage a dark theater space just to enjoy their TV, and the U8N is built for real homes with windows, lamps, and mixed lighting. It also brings a modern gaming feature set, so it is not only a value movie TV but a serious all-purpose display for consoles and streaming boxes. Every year, hundreds of TVs launch. Most of them aren't worth your time. Spec sheets all look the same: OLED, mini LED, 4K, HDR, 120 Hz. Number 4. TCL QM8K. The TCL QM8K is the mini LED TV that proves brightness and contrast can coexist at a level good enough to challenge premium OLEDs in many homes. Instead of self-emissive pixels, it uses a dense mini LED backlight with local dimming, which lets it produce intense HDR highlights and a far brighter full-screen image than most OLEDs can sustain. That makes it especially attractive in bright living rooms, daytime viewing environments, and households where sports, streaming, and mixed content dominate the schedule. TCL has also become much better at tuning its panels, so the QM8K is no longer just a brute force brightness play. It is a more complete TV with improved control, more believable dimming behavior, and stronger motion performance than older LCD generations. It also gives gamers the modern connectivity and responsiveness they need, which makes it useful as a central entertainment display rather than just a movie screen. In 2026, the U8N stands out because it makes premium brightness and usable contrast accessible without pushing the budget into flagship territory. It is the kind of TV that makes sense when you want most of the big screen experience without paying for the last few percentage points of refinement. Number 3. Sony Bravia 8 II. The Sony Bravia 8 II is the TV for buyers who value processing sophistication and cinematic realism more than flashy spec sheet bragging rights. It uses an OLED panel, but Sony's strength has always been how it manages that panel, and this model continues that approach with excellent upscaling, convincing motion handling, and a restrained, natural image style that makes real-world content look less artificially sharpened. That matters because a huge amount of what people watch is still compressed streaming video, broadcast sports, and older content, and the Bravia 8 II is designed to make all of it look more composed. The slim, understated cabinet keeps the focus on the picture, while the overall presentation feels made for viewers who want a high-end television rather than a gaming-first monitor in disguise. In 2026, it stands out because it offers a premium-looking picture in rooms where OLED can sometimes lose impact, and that gives it one of the strongest practical advantages of any TV on the market. If your space is bright or your usage is varied, this is one of the smartest buys available. Number 2. LG OLED G5. The LG OLED G5 is the set for people who want an OLED that feels engineered as a complete premium product rather than just a good panel in a box. Like any strong OLED, it delivers self-emissive pixels, which means blacks are truly black, Highlights pop with precision, and shadow detail remains intact in dark scenes where lesser TVs start to smear or glow. LG's processing is one of the major reasons this model matters, because it handles upscaling, motion, and tone mapping with a level of control that makes streaming and physical media look consistently refined. The gallery-style design is another advantage, since the TV is made to sit extremely close to the wall and look almost architectural rather than bulky. That makes it especially appealing for buyers who care as much about design integration as they do about image quality. It also has the gaming features expected of a flagship OLED, including HDMI 2. It still includes the connectivity and gaming features buyers expect at this level, but its real value is in how stable, believable, and polished the image looks across different sources. In 2026, it stands out because not every premium TV should be judged by brightness alone. Sometimes the most impressive thing is a TV that makes everything look clean, natural, and expensive without ever calling attention to the processing itself. Number 1. Samsung S90F. The Samsung S90F is the TV that hits the sweet spot between premium OLED image quality and modern feature depth, which is why it belongs at the top of this list. Its self-emissive OLED panel gives it true per-pixel contrast, so dark scenes look deep and precise instead of washed out or gray, and that instantly elevates movies, prestige TV, and gaming alike. Samsung's processing helps the image look crisp without becoming overcooked, and the panel's fast response time keeps motion clean during sports and fast camera movement. The set is built with a slim, premium chassis that feels modern without drawing attention to itself, and that minimalist design fits well in both living rooms and dedicated media setups. With HDMI 2.1 support, variable refresh rate, low input lag, and strong gaming compatibility, it is clearly aimed at people who want a display that works as well for a console as it does for a film night. On variable refresh rate and very low latency, so it is not just a movie display. In 2026, the G5 stands out because it combines image finesse, design elegance, and broad feature support in a way that few other TVs can match, especially if you want a screen that feels truly premium in the room.
So, that wraps up our list of the best turntables. If this video was useful to you, kindly click the thumbs up button. Which one will you pick? Describe your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an updates. Everyone who had come this far, I'm hoping to see you in the next video.